If your score is below 620, it's still possible to qualify for a loan, but the terms may not be as favorable. To improve your credit score, focus on paying down outstanding debt, disputing any errors on your credit report. These actions can gradually raise your score, making you a more attractive candidate to lenders. In addition to conventional loans, there are government-backed loans, such as FHA loans, that have lower credit score requirements. These loans can make homeownership more accessible for people with less than perfect credit. By understanding your credit score and taking steps to improve it before applying for a mortgage, you can increase your chances of getting approved and save thousands of dollars in interest over the life of your loan. Credit repair timelines vary based on the complexity of your situation and the steps you take to improve your credit.